Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 10 assignment of the course, The Joy of Computing Using Python. These are completely our probable solutions, guys. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. So please watch the video till the end. So first question, which of the following statements is correct about Python's dynamic typing? So for first question, second option is the probable solution. A variable's type can change at runtime. So mark second option as the probable solution for first question. Now moving on to the second question. Second question. What will be the output of the following code? So for second question, third option is the probable solution, guys. So we have got third option as the probable solution as the output. Next, moving on to the third one. What does the following code print? So third question. So for third question, also third option, that is 9 is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the fourth question. Fourth question. Which statement about find and index methods in Python is true? So for fourth question, second option, index raises an error if not found, but find returns -1. So mark second option as the probable solution for fourth question. Now let's move on to the fifth one. What will be the output of the following Python code? So 17 modulus -5. So for fifth question, fourth option, that is -3 is the probable solution, guys. Next. Guys, for the past 5 years, we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses. So now I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected, guys. So we have collected huge number of 9 past semester assignment MCQs. So 9 past NPTEL assignment MCQs, guys. So for one semester, that means almost 125 questions, it will be 150 rupees, guys. So these are individual prices. That means for one person prices. For group prices, if you mail me to this email ID, so bk179417@gmail.com. Suppose if you want to team up with any one of your classmates, so any number of students, so mail me to this email ID. One person mail me to this email ID and tell me how many persons access you want. So I will provide you the Google Drive PDF restricted link. The validity will be till the exam results day. So for one semester, nearly 120 MCQs approximately will be there. You know that, right? So for 125 MCQs, price is 150, guys. 240 MCQs, that means approximately 2 semesters questions, it will be 250. If you take it 360 MCQs, just 360 only. These are 1% prices. So if you want 600 MCQs, that means nearly 5 semesters questions, it will be just 500 rupees only. So 1000 plus MCQs, that means whole 9 semesters questions, 1000 plus MCQs for just 800 only. So for each semester, approximately 120 questions will be there, guys. So already many students and even professors have also taken our pack and preparing for the exam. So mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. My suggestion is taking more MCQs will help you to prepare more better for the final exam point of view. These are past NPTEL assignment MCQs. So 9 past semester assignment MCQs also available. So you can choose not only this pack, guys, you can choose any combination of the assignments. Based on that, the price will be given, right? So this is the mail ID. Already many students have started taking and already taken the pack, guys. So take it now itself so that you can get more time to prepare. So 2 semesters 250, 3 semesters 360, 5 semesters 500 only, 9 semesters just 800 rupees only. So if you take more number of MCQs, the more you can save per each MCQ, right? So this is the mail ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So remember, guys, only if you're confirmed to make the payment, then only mail us, because many genuine students are waiting for us. So we have to set everyone in the priority order. So sixth question, which method in PIL is used to resize an image while maintaining the aspect ratio? So for sixth question, second option, thumbnail is the probable solution. Next, seventh one, which of the following correctly finds all numbers divisible by 3 but not by 5 in a list? So for seventh question, first option is the probable solution, guys. Next, eighth one. For eighth question, I have got second option 5 as the probable solution. Next, ninth one. Ninth question, 0 is the probable solution, guys. And before moving into the 10th question, let's see the assignment solutions as well. So 10th question, so this is the code, guys. I am zooming this for your convenience, so don't make any mistakes. Do follow the indentation correctly. So everything depends on indentation. So this is the code for the first question. So this is the highlighted part is the code. Guys, some students are asking to give the code in the comment section, but if I give that, already you are seeing the video and you are getting the code, right? So even if you don't type it, you may not be able to do that in the final exam. So it may not be beneficial for you. It will don't help you in any way. At least if you type it, you will be able to get used to these syntaxes and different types of error. So if you make any mistake, you will learn from that, right? So you can get to know that what error have you made, so that you can correct from next time. So you can take some time, even if you see the code and try to replicate it. If you get errors, you can learn from that. Then you can automatically get to know the syntax as well, right? So hope you have noted it down, or you can take a screenshot. So first you have to click the compile and run button. After that you have to click the submit button. Then it will this you will get this type of past status after submit button. Definitely click on this submit button, guys. Before compile and run button should be clicked. After that submit button should be clicked. Next, second question. So second, this is the second programming assignment. So return, this is single quotation, and the last one is also single quotation. In between those, two double quotations, right? So this is the indentation and the code. So note it very carefully, guys. Even a single mistake can land you in an error position. So hope you have noted it. So you can take a screenshot, or you can pause the video and type it parallelly. So here also, guys, single quotation followed by double quotation, a left curly brace, and two double quotations. And here also two double quotations and a single quotation. So you have to enclose that evenly. So click on the compile and run button, and later click on submit button. Then you will get the status as passed. After that, let's move on to the next question. So this is the third programming assignment. So this is the code, guys. So this is the code. So note it down carefully. Third programming code. At least you can be able to, you should be in a position to type it on your own without any errors. First time you may get error. Later you can be accustomed to that. You will be used to that, right? So this is the code. So hope you have noted it down. So first click on compile and run button. It will test the public test cases. Next click on submit button. Then you'll get to see this passed status. Now let's see the last solution, of objective solution. So 10th one, what will be the shape of the resulting numpy array? So for 10th and final question, first option 3 comma 2 is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 10 assignment of the course Python for data science. Oh sorry, joy of computing using Python. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video guys. And please share this within your WhatsApp college and official student groups. And don't forget to purchase this huge number of 1000+ MCQs guys. And it is customized packs guys. So you can choose how many semesters you want. We have 9 semesters past NPTEL assignment MCQs. So if you take this along with your friends as a group, then individually you can get for less amount. These are the individual prices. If one person takes this is the prices. These are the prices guys. So these are, you'll get that in a restricted Google Drive PDF link, right? So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack and do let them know about this and make some discussion happen on this, right? So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. Until the next video, goodbye.